With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question is, two vector A and vector B incline at an angle theta have a resultant vector R, which makes an angle alpha with A and beta with B. So let the magnitude of vector A, B, and R be the represented by A, B, and R respectively. So which of the following relation is not correct? We have to choose the incorrect statement. Okay. So we have to choose the incorrect option in the given four options. So at the first, we'll draw the diagram. So there are two vectors given in the questions, and consider that this is vector A, and consider that this is vector B. Okay. So if we draw the line, something like this parallel to the first vector, something like this, and if we draw another line, something like this. Okay, so this looks like a parallelogram. After that, if we talk about the resultant of both the vectors, so the resultant will be in this direction, that is denoted by R, that is given in the question. Okay, so this is the resultant. They consider that this is vector A, this is vector B. Okay, so in the question that is given, so alpha angle will be here, and the angle beta will be here. Okay, so we can say that the complete angle, this complete angle should be alpha plus beta. This complete angle should be alpha plus beta. Okay. After that, if we draw a triangle, something like this, after drawing this line, so we can say that this line is perpendicular to this dotted line. This angle is 90 degree. Okay. So this angle will be alpha plus beta, same as this angle. Okay, and we know very well that if this angle is beta, so this angle will also be beta. Okay, so after naming the points, so this point is O, this point is P, this point is N, this point is S, and this point is about Q. Okay, so draw a normal from point P to the resultant line. So normal will be something like this. This is the normal. Okay, we are drawing. So consider that this point is M, and this angle is 90 degree. Okay, so we have drawn the complete diagram. So after that, we will consider that let OP and OQ represent two vector. OP and OQ represent two vectors. So vectors are vector A and vector B. Okay, making an angle alpha plus beta with each other. So using the parallelogram law, we can write the equation vector R is equal to vector A plus vector B. This is the vector addition law. So okay. Now after that, SN is normal to OP. SN is normal to OP. OP is the line. Okay. And we can say that OS square by the Pythagoras theorem. We can say that the OS in this triangle, so OS is the hypotenuse. OS square is equal to ON square plus SN square. Okay. We are taking the triangle ONS. Okay. Now it is very easy to understand. After this, if we place the value, so at the first we will talk about cos alpha plus beta in this diagram. So cos alpha plus beta. So cos alpha plus beta will be what? Base upon hypotenuse. So base is NP. And divided by the hypotenuse is R. Okay. And if we talk about sine alpha plus beta, so that will be equal to Sn divided by R. So by these two expressions, we can find NP and Sn. So we have find that cos alpha plus beta is this and sine alpha plus beta is this. So put the value in this equation. OS square, that is R square. What is ON? ON is written as OP plus PN. So that will be OP plus PN whole square. And plus Sn. What is Sn? Sn will be R sine alpha plus beta. Okay. So that will be R sine alpha plus beta whole square. Okay. So after solving this equation, we will find r square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab cos 2ab cos alpha plus beta. Okay, so we will find this equation after solving the equation. Okay, so we can say that after if we talk about the triangle OSN, so we are talking about the triangle OSN again. Okay, so triangle OSN, SN will be, we have find that SN will be r sine alpha plus beta. So we can say that SN will be r sine alpha plus beta. And if we talk about PN, so PN will be r cos alpha plus beta. Okay, I think there is some problem. This is not r, so that will be SN is equal to r sine alpha. Okay, r sine alpha. And if we talk about triangle PSN, so where is triangle PSN? Triangle P is this, point P is this, S and N. So if we talk about triangle PSN, so we can say that SN equal to P sine alpha plus beta or B sine alpha plus beta. This is okay. So in triangle PSN, we can write that SN will be equal to B sine alpha plus beta. B sine alpha plus beta. Okay, so both are SN, so will be equal to each other. So we can write that r sine alpha that is equal to B sine alpha plus beta. Okay, so this is our first relation. So r sine alpha is equal to B sine alpha plus beta. So the second option will be correct, but we have to choose the incorrect option. So that will be incorrect. After this, if we talk about the next, so r sine alpha is equal to B sine alpha plus beta. Now we can say that similarly, if we talk about PM is equal to A sine alpha, so that will be equal to B sine beta. Okay, so this is clear to the diagram. So we can say that A sine alpha that is equal to B sine beta. So this is also matching. A sine alpha that is equal to B sine beta. So this will also be correct because this statement is correct. Okay. Now consider that this is equation number second and this is equation number first. So combining equation first and second, or we can write it as by equation first and second. Okay, so if we combine both the equations, so we can write that r sine beta that is equal to A sine alpha plus beta. A sine alpha plus beta. So this is our third expression. So third expression is r sine beta is equal to A sine alpha plus beta. So this is our third expression. Okay, so we have find the three expression in all. Okay, if we talk about by equation first and second, so combine first and second equation, so we can find that r upon sine alpha plus beta, so it will be equal to A upon sine beta. This is equal to B upon sine alpha. So this is our fourth expression. That is A upon sine beta equal to B upon sine alpha. So this expression is not correct. Okay, so this will be our answer. Thank you. So our first option is correct. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.